In this video, you'll learn how to add additional breakpoints in Elementor. Breakpoints are used when designing your website to be responsive across all devices. To add additional breakpoints, all you need to do is go to the page editor. I'm already here in the page editor window. But if you want to learn how to edit the pages in WordPress with Elementor, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now here, go to the responsive mode. You can see 3 breakpoints here, which are desktop, tablet, and mobile. In order to add more, simply click on the settings icon over here. And here you can see the mobile and tablet have already been added. And if you click here, you can find more breakpoints like mobile extra, widescreen, etc. You can see the range here. You can customize it as per your requirement. But I would suggest leaving it at default. Once everything is in place, simply click on the Update button. In the pop-up, click on Reload Now. Now, once done, move back to the responsive mode. You can see the additional breakpoints added here to this bar. You can check your site on various devices that we added. And this is how easy it is to add additional breakpoints in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.